Nicole is one of the managers of the Tan Hill Inn, and she's now snowed in and joins us live from the Cosy Pub. So this is like, we said this before, the last time this happened, this is like the ultimate lock-in. So talk me through, so today's Tuesday. So when you work there, do you live there for a few days and then go home for a few days and then come back? So it's like working on an oil rig.
Pretty much.
If you can imagine such a weird thing, because the pub is in the middle of nowhere. It's totally accessible, unless it snows heavily and then you can't get out and you get stuck. So is this your first time to be stuck?
Yeah, I've been here since Tuesday.
Oh, whoa.
And when were you meant to leave?
Sunday.
Right, okay.
Oh.
So when did the snow fall? Saturday?
Saturday we had on the Friday night we had like a little lay-in. Wasn't much, it was just white, then it turned to frost. Saturday we had another, I wouldn't say heavy, but probably medium shower. And then, Sunday, like, we realised we weren't going anywhere.
So Sunday's when it really hit?
Yeah, Saturday night, Sunday.
And what was happening on Saturday night in the Tan Hill Inn?
So we closed the doors at 4:30 to the public because there was still people attempting to get up. So as soon as we got the amber warning, we took our safest option and stayed in with all our residents, and then just ate and drank.
It's tough life, isn't
So
it?
how many rooms have you got there for guests?
We've got 7 upstairs, 8 a family room, 9 a bunk room, and 2 dorms.
Okay, so they got like the garden igloo that I had.
Oh, yes.
2 of those out the back now.
Oh, yeah.
I used to have one of them in my back garden. They're wicked.
Someone got snowed in it yesterday morning. We had to go and dig them out.
Did they?
Really? Yeah. So they've got in the dome, closed a little glass, so it's a glass dome, and with a double bed in there. Looks very cosy. It does. And then they got snowed in their dome.
They rang us on the pub phone and were like, can you come and get us out? We're a bit stuck. So we went round, and off the drift with where it was blown up the side of the pub, it sort of drifted over their door.
Oh, my goodness.
So David, the other manager, and Ewan went and dug them out.
Oh, my Lord. Is it fun, or is it past the fun point now?
No, it's fun. Yesterday was amazing.
Was it?
So you had a party.
Really, really good.
You had a party last night.
Yeah, we had a chill day. We had a little movie day. We had our snowball fight. We all came in, warmed back up, had a movie day, watched the Goonies, had some tea. People went and got showered and bathed and stuff, came back down, and then we just partied the night away. Oh. I think everyone's got a bit of a tender head from our party last night, so the pub was very silent this morning.
I mean, partying the night away, just party the day away.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was scotch going all day.
So every room is full?
Yes.
So how many people have you got there stuck in the pub?
23, a dog and a 4-year-old, and 6 staff.
Oh, Lord.
Blimey.
Who's in my room?
Which one were you in the dorm?
I was not. How dare you? I was in a superior room, dear.
Were you in the one with the bath or one with the shower?
I was in the superior double with ensuite.
Didn't someone run you a bath ready for your arrival?
Yeah, they ran me a bath and put 3 rubber ducks in it.
Yeah.
Why just 3?
Because 4's too many and 2's not enough, Nicole. That's why. And so how's the snow now? Is it still snowing or has it stopped?
It's not snowing anymore, but it hasn't budged either.
Really?
Wow.
Oh.
So you just got to wait for it to just thaw out?
Yeah, so yesterday we got to about 2 o'clock and I was thinking, where's the tractor at? Like, where's the snowplow? Like, there's no one been here. I'd heard from a few of the local farmers that the snow drifts were like 5 foot. So they'd attempted to come and see us to see if we needed anything, but they just couldn't get through. Then the tractor did come through with the plough on the front at about 2:30. Told him, he told us the situation. He said he'd been out since 3 a.m. in the morning. He'd been through a 6-foot snowdrift. But then when he'd gone through it, all the drift was just going back behind him. So that's the only time that we got through yesterday. And then no one was through at all day yesterday. A couple of the farmers were messaging me last night. They'd attempted it but got stuck and turned back around.
Oh, my Lord. Can we have a little look? Can we see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll take you out.
Oh, if you were lucky.
I haven't been out this morning yet, so this is a surprise.
Well, there's nowhere to go, I guess. Oh, that's it. That's it. She's dead.
It looks pretty... Let me turn you around.
Oh, there it is. Look at that.
Absolutely covered.
Wow. It's like the surface of the moon out there. It's incredible.
Look how deep it is. Like, it's not budged anywhere.
That's proper deep, isn't it?
And is it still snow or is it turned into ice?
When I'm walking on it, it's very crispy, but it's still.
Oh, be careful. Safety first.
But there's a snowdrift there. Like, it's just.
Everything's covered.
My Lord.
We'll have to
my.
describe
Looks like something out of a J.J. Abrams film or something, doesn't it?
Do you know the only thing?
I looked at the Subaru.
Oh my! Oh God! Look at that. That's not going anywhere. The only thing is, if I was in my superior double with ensuite, and they'd be like, "Look, we need to all chip in," I'd be like, "No, I'm not sharing. You can get lost."
Over the wheels of some of the cars.
Oh dear.
We are definitely snowed in. There's been no life.
And how are you for supplies?
Oh, we're good. We always have a month's worth of stock on site, so we're doing really well. The Aussies are drinking us out of Malbec mind, but apart from that, we're doing good.
You've got Aussies there?
Yeah, we've got an Australian family that have come. They're due to fly back to Australia on Thursday.
Oh.
They are due to fly.
Oh, dear.
I'm supposed to be.
Good luck, everyone.
Oh, my Lord. So what's the plan for today, then? Because you've got to keep everyone morale high for everyone. So what's the plan?
Well, I think everyone's going to be hungover this morning, so
Not much.
I was a sensible one, and because I knew I had to be up early for a couple of interviews, so I went to bed at a decent time. Then I had Kelly come in and wake me up at 3 o'clock in the morning, mortal drunk, jumping all over me.
Bit like when I stayed there.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, listen, good luck. Keep in touch with us. When are you hoping to get out?
Well, to be honest, I don't know if it's going to be today. I know the 66 is open, but our road is so bad. So maybe the plough's going to try and get through again this morning, he said, but he's not hopeful.
And is there any more snow forecast? Because we've got snow forecast in London in the next hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've not heard anything. I've just know there was a yellow warning for the ice, which if that turns to ice out there, the plough's going to struggle to get through because it'll be too hard.
Yeah, well, we've driven up. I've been up there to the pub a couple of times, and those roads are very windy. You do not, even if they clear it, it's not worth it if it's icy, because you're going over the edge, and then goodbye.
The ditches are hidden now.
Yeah.
Because of the snowdrifts, all the ditches are hidden.
Oh my Lord! Well, listen. Good luck. Stay safe.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
And all the best with everybody, and especially the Aussies and the 4-year-old.
Always. Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, Nicole. Speak to you later.
Radio X. The Chris Moyles Show.